Hi Steve, how are you? Steve, in this video guide, I am going to guide you how you can apply, replace, and find a replacement functionality on a specific column. Actually, what you are looking for is to remove the word Amazon. First, press Ctrl+H and find how many Amazon words are there. There are 20 in the review body. What you have to do is to select the column in which the review text is there. Now press Ctrl+H Ctrl+. Oh, press Ctrl+H and select a specific range and where you want to apply the find and replace functionality. From D2, go to the end of this column, review body, D16, 87. Click OK. Now find Amazon and replace with left empty. These are our options. So click on these options. Click replace all. Here you can see replace 24 instances of Amazon with empty. Click done. Now to make sure either this functionality work for you or not, press Ctrl+F and find Amazon now, and you will see there is no Amazon. So this is very easy and very helpful for you. Hopefully you will enjoy the video. Thanks.